It has been a long time since we have featured any builds on this channel, but I figured this is the one that we would come back with. So this specific build was built for a friend of Nolan named Damien. He had a very specific mindset to how it would look when it was finished, so we tried our best to meet that. He wanted dual water loops, and I think we managed that perfectly. So at the heart of it, we have a Ryzen 9 5900X 12-core 24-thread processor mounted to a Asus Crosshair 8 Dark Hero motherboard with 32 gigabytes of G.Skill Trident Z memory running at 3800 megahertz CL18, 2 terabytes of Sabrent Rocket PCI 4.0 storage, along with an Asus TUF RTX 3090, and of course 1000 watts of Corsair power to bring it all to life. All of this built in this massive Be Quiet Dark Base 900 case, wrapped in this gorgeous white. With 2 completely separate loops, we have absolutely filled it with EK water block products. An EK Quantum Momentum monoblock for the CPU and VRMs, an EK Quantum Vector for the RTX 3090, dual EK inertia pumps along with twin EK X3 reservoirs, 16 EK torque fittings, 8 90-degree fittings, over 15 individual bends, 720 millimeters of radiator, and to top it all off, we have 7 Lian Li Unifans, which are a absolute godsend to work with. I cannot express how great these fans are to work with. Anyway, I hope Damien enjoys his new PC just like I hope you enjoy this B-roll coming up enough to like, comment, and get subscribed. And like always, I'll see you next time.